Guys, did you notice what happened to the price of Terra Luna over the last 24 to 48 hours? I'm talking about Luna 2.0 and LUNC, while Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins were completely collapsing, like Bitcoin at 21,000, Ethereum almost $1,000, Shiba Inu gaining 1.0, and otherwise Celsius as well completely collapsing. You know why? Well, price of Terra Luna, as you're seeing on the screen for the two of them, Luna 2.0 and LUNC, nothing. Wow, they did not collapse, and I consider that to be good news. Welcome back, everybody. In this video, let's go ahead and analyze what really is happening, because I believe this good news for I believe Terra Luna holders means either two things. One, we're already at the bottom for this project. I mean, we don't have to forget that the price of Terra Luna, the two of them have completely collapsed and they're really down. Or number two, that lower prices might be coming, which, I mean, in crypto, everything is possible. But this is, I believe, a good signal that we are already seeing a nice, important bottom for the project. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and welcome back. Happy to see you once again. Everyone, well, very happy to see projects like this not moving during a complete bear market, recession type. Stock market is collapsing as well, on fire. And well, we are all saying, right, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right now is really risky. However, these are the times when millionaires are made. Millionaires, rich people are made once we go to the bull season. Don't have to forget that. Yes, it is difficult, but it's going to be worth it. It's risky, but it's going to be worth it. I just want to say that. And when it comes to Terra Luna, you already know the good news, even more news for LUNC. Why? Because the 1.2 burn tax was passed, meaning that from trillions of circulating supply, we're going to go down to billions, a couple of billions, which is not bad. That was passed last week, and we reported on that, and it was incredible. Right now, we're looking at 406. Okay, yes, that is really low. From the $100 that once it was to 406, completely worthless, absolutely, for a lot of people. But day traders, they're finding new ways to make the most out of it. Also, more good news for the project and for a lot of holders. Guess what? We're almost gonna be 1 billion total burn for LUNC. Let me bring you that one right here of the total supply. We're still at 1%, as you're seeing right here, but we're looking at 970 million burn. 1 billion will be in the horizon. I remember the first time looking at this was 715 million. Now it's gonna be almost 1 billion, and this number will continue increasing. And it's very important, I believe, to realize that although we're at extreme fear, I mean, this is heavily substantiated by how the people in the market and Bitcoin holders feel. But I think everybody in the crypto community shares this type of vision that we are at a point that it makes a lot of sense to have buying some sats, as Michael Saylor says, right? But now, basically a fire sale. So across the board, not a really bad time to start getting into some positions. Might not be the best time to buy, but it's not a bad time to get into crypto. Let me tell you that by looking at the entire perspective. I want to show you that, right? So looking at this for LUNC specifically, 406, can we go lower? Yes, because in crypto, anything can happen. But guys, honestly, the last 48 hours, let me show you this one. Here it is in the 4-hour chart. I'm going to go ahead and bring my ruler, which is here. So this is going to be 2 days and 4 hours. And of course, the market collapse. I'm going to show you with my price range. Bitcoin went down approximately 26% in the 4-hour range. If we go to Luna, we don't see that at all. I mean, this was the 12 at a pump. We bring the price range right here, and we pretty much look like the same, right? At 25-26%. Don't even really feel it because we're not at that price level. We are right here at 15%. So Terra Luna is consolidating, sideways trading, what we will call in this market right now. Consolidation, sideways trading for Luna 2.0, and for LUNC, if we look at some type of price average right now to the price that it is right now, 15, still at around 15% down in for the two lunas, right? That we have here at 406. Not bad at all. While the entire other Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space is much closer to the 30% down, which is interesting, right? So in this case, Bitcoin right now is looking at 19-20%, but it went down all the way to 26%. Pretty interesting, everybody. Now, a lot of people, including myself, we're already trying to see what the bottom of Bitcoin will be, because that's gonna, in a way, propel other different altcoins. But I am of the idea that once we touch a bottom, which is very important right now, was a 22,200-day moving average for Bitcoin. Usually, if you look at history, at what has happened in the past, we consolidate for a while. This is not going to take a day, a week, or weeks. It takes months. So in my opinion, we'll need to be burning way more Terra Luna, way more LUNC, but price pumps might not come in months. Decent, substantial price pumps that can get to the price that I last bought it, which was 303. Right now it's 406. It's a long while. So from 1 hour, I'm gonna send it to 1 day for LUNC, which is where I have more than 100,000 coins. Yes, it is crazy, but it is true. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, and I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one right here. I'm gonna bring my price range, and 303, we're gonna be looking at right about, this is still 4 zeros. I need to go ahead and crunch this a little bit more. And there you go, 303. We're gonna be, I have to crunch this even more. And so far around here, that is 303. That is the price when I have one of my last positions. It has to be a little bit closer here. There you go, 303. That will be one of my last positions on LUNC. Everybody, that is 500% to the upside on the day chart for LUNC. So all of this, right? This is a long way to go, but it all starts by having the burning continuum. Now from trillions to billions, I will consider that to be Terra Luna good news. How about you, everybody? Of course, dogecoin saying that he claims that the crash at 2.7, that he, for some reason, was, cashing out, is false. Okay. I mean, as always, it's private, so nobody can comment. And at the same time, guys, less than 1 trillion in market cap. Still troublesome times for people, extreme fear. But remember, what an amazing time to become rich and a millionaire when things come all the way to the top. Let me know what you think, Terra Luna holders. Appreciate your support. Go ahead and smash the like button and take a look at the links down below for free Bitcoin and cryptocurrency every single day. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.